we talk a lot about perspective when it comes to the weather, and we've had so much good stuff lately that like one little blip's like, whatever. Did you see Saturday? Did you see Sunday? I mean, it's like,
It's kind of a great point. I mean, because today there's a little rain in the forecast. It's still going to be 60 degrees. Like past May's, it would be like 50 and like pouring rain and windy for like 3 straight days.
So you'd be saying, it's not going to be that bad today.
Right. It could be worse.
Yeah, perspective, right?
Yes. All right, let's begin by looking at the temperatures. We are a little chilly out there. There's definitely a nip in the air. 40s for southern Maine beneath clouds. But as you head up into the Oxford Hills and beyond, it gets a lot colder. There's probably some frost in Rumford, Berlin, New Hampshire. Likely some frost in parts of eastern Maine, too. Holton's at 31, northern Maine, Presque Isle, 31. And Escort Station is 27, up along the international border there. Clouds over southern areas. We'll get some sun for you. Bangor, Brewer, Ellsworth, Bar Harbor even, for a few hours, then the clouds will win out. To our south, you can already see some showers showing up on radar. There's an area of low pressure down here. Now, these aren't the type of lows that we saw earlier in the spring or late in the winter where they were strong and they had a lot of wind with them. This one's going to be relatively weak, but it does have the wet weather with it, and that'll spread in by the afternoon. So let's do the timeline thing. Clouds increasing this morning from southwest to northeast. Definitely chilly enough for a light jacket that you might not shed today. It's not like we're getting that warm. We won't get much better than 60 where there's some sunshine, and it's going to stay in the 50s where we don't get any sunshine. Those clouds thickening up. First drops arriving midday near the New Hampshire border in southwest Maine, and then a steadier rain for the afternoon and for the early evening. So your drive home will be on the wet side. Looks like about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, which we'll need because there's not much rain in the next 7 days. That's been a trend lately. Last showers move out around midnight. It'll take some time to clear out, though. In fact, tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up in some fog and some low clouds, and then we'll burn that off to some sunshine in the afternoon. Still on the cool side in the 60s, and then it's not. Warm sector for the weekend. Another taste of summer. Second weekend in a row. Record highs in jeopardy as temperatures rise through the 80s and approach 90 degrees, especially away from the coastline. Late Sunday evening, cold front approaches. It's delayed, though, until like 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. That means the bulk of your weekend is awesome and summer-like. These storms may be on the strong side as they pass Sunday night. Behind them, we get relief from the heat and humidity. Cooler, drier air working in on Monday, and the middle part of next week looks stunning. Very pleasant. Temps in the 60s with sunshine. Good stuff. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, southeast winds 5 to 15 knots. All right, clouds increase, showers develop. This afternoon will be cool and wet with highs in the 50s. Tomorrow, it'll eventually turn sunnier, highs 65 to 70 degrees, and then hot over the weekend with 80s. Away from the coast, it could approach 90. Coastline will be, a little less hot, but still very muggy. Storms are likely Sunday night, and then we'll gradually cool off back into the mid-60s for the middle of next week. And that is Memorial Day week, because next weekend, not this one, the following one, will be Memorial Day weekend.
Wow. And then May's over.
And then it's
just like that.
June.
And we get June.
And then it flies. It all flies by. But let's not do that.
I know. Let's slow it down.
Right.
Slow it all down.
I did start it. I'm going to end it, too.
Spoken like a true dad.
Right?
Whoa. All right.
Sorry.